Welcome back to Nathan 7, and right now I'm in my house. I just got from Little Caesars, and I'm doing some stuff, and I'm just chilling good. I'm being good. I'm chilling, krillin', and I'm about to play Marvel Contest of Champions. Not the game I played on one time on a video. I made video games with other electronics, not like somebody's phone. Oh, after watching some bad stuff. Oh, look, this man. Okay, he was. He's watching Stickman Bell Jake 2017. RPG. How do you use RPG? Okay, he's getting in the cop suit. Now into the sleep below. Oh, Stickman escape Madhouse. Top. Oh my God, he was watching this strong little puppy.